Hi, James Nellis with the Nellis Group. This year, we are merging our chili cook-off, that's right, our legendary chili cook-off, with the 40th year anniversary at the Nellis Group. It is 40 years we've been in real estate. Listen to what some of our agents have to say about the excitement coming to you on November 4th.
Hi, Suniva Zayas here with the Nellis Group, and you already know that our 40th anniversary and chili cook-off is right around the corner. If you think you have the perfect chili recipe, this event is your time to shine.
Hi, we're Jones with the Nellis Group here with our 40th anniversary. This will be our chili cook-off where we're going to have plenty of games, tons of food, live events, so come on out and join us in the celebration.
We are so excited to celebrate our 40th year in real estate. That's right, Vicki Nellis, our mom, started the company in 1983. So please join us on November 4th for a chili cook-off, plenty of games for the kids and family, and great giveaway prizes.
Hey everybody, Rich Kessler here, and I am proud to announce that we are celebrating our 40th anniversary here at the Nellis Group. Mark your calendars, save the date, November 4th, our 40th anniversary party. We're gonna have a chili cook-off, tons of games, prizes, and all sorts of fun happening.
Thank you again for being a contribution to our success over the many years as we celebrate our 40th year in business. Come out and enjoy an amazing time with us on November 4th from 1 to 5 p.m. Register today.